A happy gut leads to better digestion, improved mood, and overall well-being. Here are some of the best foods to nourish your gut. 1. Fermented foods rich in probiotics. Yogurt contains live cultures that support gut health. Kefir, a powerful probiotic drink that helps digestion. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage packed with good bacteria. Kimchi, a spicy, probiotic-rich Korean dish. Miso, a fermented soybean paste that promotes gut balance. 2. High-fiber foods feeds good gut bacteria. Oats, a great source of prebiotic fiber. Bananas contain fiber and natural prebiotics. Apples rich in pectin, which feeds beneficial bacteria. Flax seeds and chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3 salve. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, high in fiber for gut motility. 3. Prebiotic-rich foods fuel for probiotics. Garlic and onions support the growth of good bacteria. Leeks contain inulin, a powerful prebiotic. Asparagus helps maintain a healthy gut lining. 4. Bone broth supports gut lining. Contains collagen and amino acids that help heal the gut. 5. Healthy fats reduce inflammation. Avocados provide fiber and healthy fats. Olive oil supports gut microbiome balance. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines rich in omega-3 salve which reduce gut inflammation. 6. Herbal teas and polyphenol-rich foods. Green tea contains antioxidants that support digestion. Ginger tea helps soothe the gut and reduce bloating. Dark chocolate contains polyphenols that feed good gut bacteria. 7. Water and hydrating foods. Staying hydrated with water, coconut water, and hydrating fruits, cucumbers, watermelon helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Would you like a meal plan or recipe ideas using these gut-friendly foods? Please let us know in the comments section below.